Hi, this is NT Fairy. Have you ever ordered anything from us? Today I'm gonna show you our sub-brand NT Fiber and the latest product, carbon fiber parts. Look at the boxes here. They have carbon fiber accessories inside. They both are from fenders, and one is for Suzuki GXSR and another one is for Ducati A99. The boxes is really sturdy, right? Let's see the inner package. The inner package is well protected and with foam and clear back. Now let's see the details. It has gloss finish and smooth surface. I can even make up with it. Woo! Now let's see their weight. And this one is, we can see that is 6 ounces. Now let's see another one. This one is 8.6 ounces. They're really light and much lighter than the ABS plastics. Fiber now has more than 1,000 parts stocked in our US warehouses. You can receive them in 3 to 5 days. If you need them, order now. Like and comment on this video and place an order. You may receive a beautiful gift. Let's see you next time.